Hello everyone, welcome back, and you are watching my YouTube channel Technical World. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to install iOS 14.3 beta on any iPhone. Before start, please don't forget to subscribe and also press the bell icon for latest video notifications. Let's start the video. The first thing that we have to do, launch Safari, then search for beta.apple.com, scroll down and tap on sign in. Use your Apple ID. After loading the page, go back to beta.apple.com. Tap Go. Now scroll down and tap Get Started. Under Get Started, we have to tap on Enroll your iOS device. On this page, we have to scroll down and tap Download Profile. Then we have to tap on Allow, tap Close. Now go to Setting, Profile downloaded, tap Install, put your iPhone passcode, tap Install again, tap Not Now, done. Now we are going to the page on under General, tap on Software Update. Now iOS 14.3 beta public beta 2 is available on your iPhone. It's 3.64 GB. Now we have to tap on download and install. That's it. Friends, if you found this video helpful, then please like and share as well. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.